Greetings, Sanbonani, and a warm welcome. My name is CBO'S. Let's begin. Let's make this weeknight comfort dish. It's rich, cheesy, full of classic lasagna flavor without any fuss. In a pan on medium heat, heat the oil, then melt the butter. Add the chopped onion and fry it for about 3 minutes. Stir. Add the herbs, be it rosemary, fresh rosemary, and the fresh thyme. Add the bay leaves. Add the spices. Here I have smoked paprika, the oregano, onion powder, and garlic powder. Stir. Give them 1 minute to blend with other ingredients. Add the chopped carrots. That's optional. Stir to blend the flavors. Add the minced garlic and stir. The reason I'm adding it later on, I didn't want it to burn. Once fried for 1 minute, add the ground beef or the minced meat. The meat should be at room temperature. Split its strengths. Season with salt and pepper. Stir. If you are new to this channel or you have never subscribed, please join us and subscribe. Press the notification bell. It's free to subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your loyal support. May you be blessed and enjoy the holiday season. Once it turns brown, add the tomato paste and stir. Add the sugar, that's optional, and stir. This is done to offset the acid in the tomato. Let it fry for a minute or 2. Add the crushed or grated fresh tomatoes. Stir. If you like quick and easy recipes like these, please leave me a comment below and press the like button. Add the beef stock or the vegetable stock. I've used vegetable stock. You may use water if you do not have the stock. Remember, we cook with what we have. Please kindly run the ads so we can keep our lights on. Taste your food to make flavoring adjustments if necessary. Let it cook until the meat softens, or cook it for 5 minutes, then start adding your pasta. My pan was full. I had to put the lid ajar. I didn't realize that I bought spinach lasagna and it worked as well. You may use any that you have. I broke the first one because I was thinking it won't fit, it will protrude out of the pan. But I realized that I could push them down. Fill all the spaces available. Push them in to make more space because you might end up with more ragu or meat sauce than the lasagna. Cook without closing the pan. Let's make the creamy bechamel sauce, which is optional. I used the flour, the milk, the salt, pepper, the ground nutmeg, the butter and egg yolks. In a pan, melt the butter on medium heat, then sprinkle the flour and stir. Cook the flour until it turns golden. Add the warm fresh milk and stir. This is to avoid the lumps. If you do not have the whisk, you may use the fork. Reduce the heat to low and stir until it season this with salt and pepper and sprinkle the ground nutmeg. Stir, then remove it from the heat. Separate the eggs. Once the bechamel sauce is lukewarm, add the egg yolk only. Stir until they are all well blended. Once the meat sauce has reduced and thickened and the pasta is soft, add the bechamel sauce on. Fill all the gaps. At this point, your heat should be low to avoid burning the pasta. Please do not forget to press the like button. It helps populate this video. Some ads play after the video has finished. Please run them for me. Sprinkle the grated mozzarella cheese, then close the pan to melt the cheese. Once it's melted, remove it from the heat, then sprinkle the fresh parsley. It's quick, it's cozy, incredible, satisfying lasagna. No baking, no complicated steps. I hope you will enjoy this hearty savoury pasta. Thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you soon on my next upload. You are loved. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.